How to change carrier settings. In this video, I'll show you how to change carrier settings on your Android phone. Updating your carrier settings can help improve your mobile network connection, data services, and call performance. Start by opening the Settings app. Then tap Network and Internet, Connections, or SIM card and mobile network, depending on your device. Next, select your SIM card if you're using dual SIM. Tap Carrier, Network Operators, or Mobile Network. Turn off Select Automatically if it's enabled, then wait for your phone to scan for available networks. Choose the carrier you want to connect to from the list. If your carrier supports the selected network, your phone will connect automatically. That's it. You've successfully changed the carrier settings on your Android phone. If you're unable to connect, switch back to Select Automatically to restore your default network settings. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.